Hi children, I hope you all well and safe. Today's topic Vermi technology. Vermi means worm. Technology means studying about technique. Here some technique it's used to produce organic manure with the help of worm, earthworm. It's called as vermi technology. The awareness of organic matter and the concept of sustainable agriculture, it's gaining importance among a farmer in recent year to produce good quality of crops. So maintenance of soil organic matter, it's very important for sustainable productivity, and this is attained by vermi technology. Vermiculture. What is vermiculture? Children, vermi means worm, culture means rearing. Okay, that means growing. Here already the earthworms are present on the soil. In this technology, vermiculture involves the artificial rearing or cultivation of earthworms. And this cultivation of earthworm using for production of compost from natural organic matter. Some species of earthworm is used for vermiculture. They are Perionyx excavators. Perionyx excavators. It's commonly called as Indian blue worm. Then Acinia fetida. Acinia fetida. It's commonly called as red worm. Then Utilus eugeniae. Utilus eugeniae. It's commonly called as African night crawler. Vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is an important component of organic farming. Vermicomposting is an important component of organic farming. Here the earthworm can convert bio waste into nutrient rich organic manure. So the earthworm can able to convert bio waste into nutrient rich organic manure. Earthworm feed on the organic waste and excrete this waste. Okay, it's feed on the organic waste and it's excrete it in digested form. It's known as casting. Clear children? The excreta means the excretory product of earthworm. It's called as excreta. These excreta, it's called as casting. The compost is generally it's called vermicompost. What is vermicompost? Already I said the excreta of earthworm, it's called as vermicompost. Excreta means the excretory product of earthworm. This product is very fine and granular organic matter. It's formed by decomposition of organic material by the earthworm. This is a ideal fertilizers for the soil. Vermicomposting materials. Biologically degradable organic waste are used as organic resources for vermicompost. Children, for vermicomposting, the biologically degradable organic waste are used to produce vermicompost. For example, agricultural waste such as crop residues, vegetable waste, sugarcane thrust. Then crop residues like rice straw, tea waste, pulse residues, rice husk, tobacco waste, and coir waste. Then leaf litter. The leaf litter, the aged old leaf, after it's fall down from the tree, it will be settled on the soil. So the layer of dry and old leaf on the soil, it's called as leaf litter. Then fruit and vegetable waste. Animal waste like cattle dung, poultry dropping, pig slurry, goat and sheep droppings. This all is used to prepare the vermicompost. Vermicomposting by bin method. In this method is the rearing of earthworm in a container or bin. The half of the container it's filled with bedding material. Bedding material such as leaves, paddy husk, chopped straw, sawdust, and manures. Small quantity of soil and sand is added. These soil and sand will provide necessary grit for the worms. Then the bedding material should be moistened. It's moistened by adding water. This moisten technology it's need for free movement of the earthworm. The worms are gently placed and spread even on the bedding. Organic waste like kitchen waste, vegetable and fruit waste are added above the bedding. The bin is covered with coconut leaves or gunny bags after adding the organic waste. These covering with coconut leaves or gunny bag to conserve the moisture as well as it will provide the darkness and it will keep out of pest. After a period of 60 days, the waste are completely transferred into nutrient rich manure. These nutrient rich manure are excreted by earthworm. So it's known as worm casting. As children, is after 60 days the old waste in a bin it's completely transferred into nutrient rich manure. This manure it's excreted by earthworm, so it's known as worm casting. These casting are harvested and it's used as a organic manure. Now we are going to see about advantages of vermicompost. Vermicompost is dark brown in color and it is rich source of nutrients. It's essential for plant growth. It makes the soil fertile. Then vermicompost it will improve the water holding capacity. Vermicompost will improve the water holding capacity and it will helps to prevent the soil erosion. Vermicompost contains valuable vitamins, enzymes and growth regulator substances are increasing the plant growth, vigor and yield of plants. Vermicompost enhance decomposition of organic matter in soil. Vermicompost is a free from pathogens and toxic element. Then vermicompost is rich in beneficial microflora. It's a microscopic organisms. Okay, otherwise the microscopic plants it's called as microflora. It's a microbes, is a kind of microbes. So these microbes development growth also it's stimulated or it's enhanced by vermicompost. Children, I hope you all understood today's topic. Thank you, children.